Hi guys, it's Master Coach Tony Morgan, and today we've been doing some classroom training. So we just finished our classroom training over 3 days, and I've got this student which you're going to hear from. He's come all the way from Reading to Manchester to basically do this reality classroom training. So I'm going to hand you over to this person called James, and you're going to hear what he thinks about our training.
Yeah, alright guys, yeah. So I was on YouTube looking how to improve my skills on border breakdown, servicing, etc. Came across Tony, liked the way he came across, realised that he does a course, really fair price for 3 whole days, and it's a lot of in depth, gets you thinking a way of sequence, standard sequence of operation. And yeah, so really liked it. Done it on lots of different boilers, external controls, S plans, Y plans, electrical boilers, at least 10 normal domestic gas boilers. And yeah, they're all different, and it just goes through everything basically. All different burners, different gas valves, and just and it doesn't just tell you, oh, change that part, it gives you scenarios, lets you work it out, and then you change it once you've worked it out, and then you just keep going through from there. Yeah, brilliant course, really recommend it.
So there you have it, you've heard it from the horse's mouth. If you want to be like James, come to Manchester into our reality classroom training and learn for yourself. All you need to do is click on the link below on our website, masterfulengineer.co.uk, and you can see all what we offer. We do online training followed by classroom training. So that's it from me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.